Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the secret code to test all the sensors on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#0*#. Then tap on sensors. And from here, you can test all the sensors on your smartphone. For an example, you can test the proximity and light sensor. And from here, just tap on light sensor and you can test the light sensor on your smartphone. As you can see, as I covered the light sensor, it will show level 1. And as I remove my hand over the light sensor, it will go to level 3. Just like that. And you can do the same with all the other sensors on your smartphone. And this is the secret code to test all the sensors on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.